Okay, update. Been on the road for an hour now. I'm probably only about 10 minutes away from my house. I'm finding out that all the highways have been closed. Side roads are barely open. I don't know if I'm gonna make it to Ohio or not. I sure hope so. There's cars just abandoned everywhere on the road where people went out when they weren't supposed to. There were driving bans in effect. They told people, do not go out and drive, stay home. Well, these idiots decided to go out and drive, and now they made things worse. We got cars, we got semi-trucks, we got everything out here. And they weren't supposed to be on the roads. Now people are out here trying to dig out their cars, making it even worse. People are absolute idiots. Sorry about my voice. I've lost it over the last couple of days. I actually shoveled my driveway for like 3 hours yesterday out in the cold. That's probably what did it. But I think I found a back route that is at least passable. So with my 4-wheel drive truck, I'll be able to navigate some back roads. Hopefully, like I said before, the more I get west, I'm hoping that the roads get better and I can get back on the highway and actually make some time up. It's really funny though, where the highways are blocked off, you can see that the highways are completely clear. There's no snow on them at all. So why they are still shut down now, I do not know. Maybe someone else can explain. All right. I literally cannot see the road in front of me right now. I know I gotta speak up. I literally cannot see the road in front of me right now. The windshields are all iced up. Winch wipers are all iced up. I probably have about 25 feet of visibility, and that's it. I can actually see a little better through the camera. Okay, you guys, I'm at the Cleveland Hopkins Airport. I know you can't see me real good, but I've been driving now, 12 hours for a four and a half hour trip through snowstorms and everything. I'm finally here to catch my flight because the one in Buffalo was canceled because of the snowstorm. The nearest flight I could get out to make it to JFK on time to catch my connecting flight, I had to do this. I think I'm gonna name this video Planes, Trains, and Automobiles, because I think I'll be on one of each this trip just to get to where I'm going. But enough with me. I've got probably 4-5 hours until I gotta board my plane and get out of here. So until then, oh yeah, by the way, this is also my hotel room for the night. Right over here, I've got my blanket and pillow. And right here in these here, I got myself a nightcap, if I can get it out. Right here's my nightcap. I think it's a local beer here. Pretty true. Look, truth. I don't think it's Truth Social, but it's truth. So I'm gonna open this up, have a nightcap. Don't worry, I'm not drinking all those. I'd never get up in 5 hours. But I at least need, after that road trip, 1 or 2 of these. I'm gonna leave my truck running all night. I know that's a bad thing to do. My exhaust pipe, it's all cleared out. Nothing's gonna block it. I won't get no carbon monoxide in here. I'll leave my window cracked open, the heat going good. And I've got about a half tank gas, so I should be good. Good night. See you in the morning. Okay, after traveling now for, oh geez, let me look at my phone. It has been 25 and a half hours. I made it from Buffalo, New York to Queens, New York, JFK Airport.
Good afternoon. For the information of all the important passengers of Flight Air 2987 Crawford, Tacloban, this is not yet airborne.
Okay, it only took me 4 days, 3 different airplanes, Uber rides, Lyft rides, subways, layovers, and horrible layovers and airports. Had to stay 15 hours in a hotel between planes. Let me see, I was in I was physically in 4 different states, and now I'm in 2 different countries. We'll be going to the 3rd country here shortly. But I finally arrived here once again in the beautiful Philippines. Doesn't get any better than this.